Students, in this class I'm going to discuss with you formal letter, which is a very important part of your syllabus. It will consist of 10 marks. So if your format will be the best, if you'll follow the rules, the regulations and the perfect format, you may achieve the greatest in this paper. So the first question like this: you are Ravi Kumar of Ramgarh. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper, drawing the attention of the chairman, municipal corporation towards the garbage dump in your locality. Students, I told you that first of all you have to write the address in 3 lines, like Krishnapuri, lane number 05, Ramgarh. After that, you have to put the date. The date will be September 29th, 2020. After that, you have to give 1 line space and then you write the editor, the Times of India, Ranchi. Subject will be regarding garbage dumps in our locality, that is Krishnapuri, lane number 5. After that, you have to leave 1 line. Then you have to write, Sir, through your reputed daily, I want to draw the attention of the chairman, Municipal Corporation Ramgarh towards the garbage dumps in our locality. This is the first paragraph of your letter. This is the first paragraph, that is the introductory paragraph of the letter. After this, you will have to write the second paragraph, which is called the main body. The length of the second paragraph will be much more than that of the first and the last paragraph. So the second paragraph will be like this: filth from drains as well as household garbage has been put on the roadside for the past few weeks. We have to bear the foul smell throughout the day. Mosquitoes and flies have bred very quickly. It can cause spread of diseases like malaria, like diarrhea, like many other deadly diseases. The stray cattle around the garbage heap cause great difficulties for the pedestrians as well as to motorists. The foul smell is unbearable. We, the residents of Krishnapuri, are facing troubles day and night. It has become very hard for us to breathe in the air which is there in Krishnapuri because of that garbage heap in our locality. The concluding paragraph, which is the third paragraph, you'll have to write, in the light of these facts, comma, I request the chairman, Municipal Corporation Ramgarh to look into the matter and take immediate step to solve this problem. I shall be highly grateful to him for this kind act of his. Thanking you, yours faithfully, and you have to write the name Ravi Kumar. Because as discussed in the question, I told you that you cannot write your name, whatever your name is, you have to use the name given in the question. If any name is not given in the question, then you have to write ABC or XYZ. But at any condition, you cannot write your own name. So this is the formal letter you have seen. First of all, you have to write your address in the first 3 lines. After that, you have to give 1 line spacing. Then you'll have to put the date. After that, again 1 line space, and then you'll have to write the editor, the Times of India, Ranchi. Then you'll have to give a line space, and then you have to write the subject. Subject is a must. After that, you have to leave 1 line. Then you have to start the introductory paragraph, which is called the first paragraph of the letter. Then you will have to write the second paragraph, which will be the larger one, the longer one. It will be longer than the first and the last paragraph. And then you will have to write the last paragraph, which is called concluding paragraph. Then you have to write thanking you, yours faithfully, and the name given in the question paper. This is the first letter. Now let's discuss the second letter. Suppose that the question may be, second question, write a letter to the editor of a local newspaper, drawing the attention of the executive engineer JSEB Hazaribagh towards the frequent power cut in your locality. The question may be like this also. that write a letter to the editor of a local daily, drawing the attention of the executive engineer JSEB or JBVNL Hazaribagh towards the burnt transformer of your locality. Sign as Savita or Sanjay. You have to pay attention here at this point of time that you have to sign towards the end of the letter as Savita or Sanjay. Again, you cannot put your name, neither you can write ABC or XYZ. First of all, you have to write the address, your address, like RK Mishra Road, lane number 09, Hazaribagh. After that, you have to put the date, September 29th, 2020. After that, one line space, and then the editor, the Times of India, Ranchi, again one line space. Then you have to write the subject regarding a burnt transformer. Sir, through your esteemed daily, I want to draw the attention of the executive engineer JSEB or JBVNL Hazaribagh towards the burnt transformer in my locality. This is the introductory paragraph, which is called the first paragraph. After this, you have to write, this is causing us a great hardship. There is no electricity for the past 10 days. This has also caused security concerns of the residents of the area. Water supply has become very low. This is the examination session. The studies of children has been affected adversely. Crimes like chain snatching and crimes like chain snatching, teasing, etc. have become very common phenomena in our locality. People find it very difficult to walk at night, especially children, women and old. It remains dark in the night. Pedestrians also find it very difficult to walk on the dark. Walk in the dark, and again cyclists and other also face the difficulty in my locality because of regular power cut, because of the burnt transformer. The last paragraph, which is called the concluding paragraph, you will have to write, in the light of these facts, I request the authority concerned to look into the matter and solve the matter immediately. I will be grateful to them for their kind act of this. Thanking you, yours faithfully. Again, you have to write the name, you have to sign as I told you. You have to sign as Ravi Kumar, so you have to write Ravi Kumar. You don't have to write your name. This is the second letter. In the next class, I will describe the third letter. Thank you very much, students. Please try to write these letters. You may score the best marks if you follow the rules. Thank you.